In this tutorial, we'll explore how to rank data in Excel based on the number of occurrences. Whether you're dealing with a list of items, names, or values, you can use Excel to easily determine which entries are the most frequent. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to rank your data and gain valuable insights from it. Begin by ensuring your data is organized in a column within an Excel worksheet. You can have a list of items, names, or values that you want to rank based on their occurrence. Assuming that you have a list of data in your worksheet, and you want to rank those data based on the number of occurrence of those value in the specified range of cells. You need to get the number of occurrences for the selected range of cells, then rank those number using the rank function. You need to copy the data list firstly and then paste the data into another new column, C1, C8. Select the new range C1, C8, go to Data tab, click Remove Duplicates command under Data Tools group. Click OK button. All duplicate values are removed. To rank the data, we'll use the COUNTIF function. Type this formula into the formula box of cell D2 to get the occurrence number in the range of cells A1, A8. Equals COUNTIF left bracket $A1, $A8, C2 right bracket. Then press Enter key, and drag the autofill handler over other cells to apply this formula. This formula counts how many times each item in column A appears in the entire column. Copy this formula down to apply it to all entries in your data. Next, you'll use the rank function to determine the rank of each entry based on its occurrence. In an adjacent column, enter the following formula. Equals rank left bracket D2, $D2 colon $D5 right bracket. You now have a new column that displays the rank of each entry based on its occurrence. The item with the highest count will have a rank of 1, the second highest count will have a rank of 2, and so on. That's it. You've successfully ranked your data based on the number of occurrences. This can be particularly useful for tasks like identifying popular products, top-performing employees, or frequently mentioned keywords in a dataset. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to rank data in Excel by the number of occurrences. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.